This week's tech support topic addresses a common question: separate trim colors, specifically whether siding corner boards can be assigned a different finish than the roof trim. When a surface copy and paste color operation is applied to the roof trim, the system updates all trim elements at once, including wall trim, splashboard, and freezeboard. Because of this, users often ask whether individual trim components can be isolated for separate color assignments. The answer is yes. Begin by selecting Undo, which will reset the trim finishes back to white. Next, Edit item can be used on either the roof or the wall to modify each trim component independently. Begin by editing the roof. Open the Fascia Soffit tab. Each component, soffit, fascia, and gutter, has its own finish control. Under the soffit style finish, change the finish to charcoal. Repeat the same finish change for the fascia and the gutter. Select OK to confirm. To apply these same finish settings to additional roofs, use Repeat Edit and click each remaining roof. Corner boards and splashboards can be modified using the same method. Right-click Edit on the wall. In the Wall dialog, open the Trim and Options tab. Change the splashboard finish to gray. Cornerboard finishes can also be adjusted here or left white if preferred. Select OK to confirm. Using Repeat Edit again, apply the splashboard finish to the remaining walls. By using Edit Item, each trim element, roof components, splashboards, and cornerboards can be controlled independently. This approach ensures precise color customization across all exterior surfaces and prevents unintended global trim changes.